Welcome to Rabia's drawing book. Let's learn English alphabets. First colors: green color, blue color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color, blue color, grey color, dark blue color, purple color. So let's start our first alphabet. A. Say out loud. A. A for apple. A for apple. A. A for apple. B. Say with me. B. B for banana. B for banana. A. B. Next is C. Say with me. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. F. F. F for fish. F for fan. A, B, C, D, E, F, and then now G. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H. H for hen. H for horse. H. I. I. I for ink pot. I for igloo. J. J for jacket. J for jug. J. J. K. K for kite. K. K for kite. L. L for lamp. L. L for lamp. M. M for mango. M for mango. M. L. M. Now N. Say N. N. N for nest. N for nest. M. N. O. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P. P for purple. P for purple. Q. Q. O. P. Q. Q for question. R. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for razor or rubber. S. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. 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 T for tree. T for tree. U. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. S, T and U. Now V. V. V for van. V for van. V for vampire. W. W. W for what? W. V. W. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y. Y for York. Y for York. Z. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Let's repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hope you enjoyed and learned English alphabets. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.